We've headed across to the markets first to buy our ingredients for our 4-course menu. We'll be cooking one recipe for you today, Thai green chicken curry.
Actually, I'm looking for the flour. Here. The orange one. Ginger. Yeah, that's one is ginger.
We'll start by making the green curry paste from the fresh ingredients.
Coriander seed. Okay, and then next one we're gonna toast them. Toast them on fire, stirring them on fire like this. Until smell it good. Oh, cumin seed here. Starting pop. Only start pop, like a popcorn, come back.
After roasting the coriander seeds, cumin and peppercorn, set aside. Next, chop the hot green chillies, lemongrass, shallots, garlic, galangal and coriander root and place in a mortar and pestle. Add the cumin mixture from earlier and shrimp paste, then pound until smooth. Now it's time to cook.
First come on your tray is seasoning again, fish sauce. Next one, coconut sugar, chicken. In the black bowl is baby eggplant, okay, eggplant. This one is Thai eggplant, the bigger one. Cafe long leaf, red chillies, pepper. And the last one is basil. What's about you? How many chili for you? 2. A little bit more here. Okay, everyone, please turn on gas now. Push until late. Number 3, keep stirring.
So is it just coconut cream?
Coconut, yeah.
Oil?
Yeah, and palm oil.
Stir fry the curry paste with coconut cream and oil, and then add the chicken and the eggplants.
And then this one, you can add fish sauce and coconut sugar. Fish sauce and coconut sugar. But if you don't like sweet coconut sugar, recommend you add half first. If you don't like sweet, but if you can be sweet, you can add all. Because normally this menu the taste is sweet. Under the table, add everything into the bowl.
So if you are looking for a fun activity to do in Bangkok where you can explore the local culture through food and learn how to cook authentic Thai dishes, we highly recommend the Tingly Thai Cooking School.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more family travel videos from around the world, subscribe to the GeoKid and stay tuned for our next one.